All parties Hurriyat conference has revealed that the Indian forces, including the army and the paramilitary personnel, are deliberately setting the forest on fire, destroying the water resources, and chopping the fruit trees in occupied Kashmir. APHC spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said that the Indian troops use explosive to ignite the forest fires, aiming to establish the military camps and the firing ranges in the ecologically sensitive areas of the territory. Indian troops during a cordon and search operation arrested two youth in the Bandipora district. The youth were arrested in the Hajin Road area of the district. Further investigation by the police is in progress, the official said, claiming that recovering weapons from their possession. The administration by the occupied Kashmir's Chief Minister Umar Abdullah that he does not have control over the police has evoked debate regarding the legitimacy of the installed setup and the nature of the governance in the territory following the elections. The critics and the analysts argue that Abdullah's statement exposes the reality of the so-called democratic landscape in occupied Kashmir, where New Delhi remains in the direct control. Delhi-controlled administration of the Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha has granted domicile certificates to 52 non-locals in the Bhirwa Tehsil of the Budgam district. This was confirmed by the Minister for Health, Medical Education and the Social Welfare Sakina Ittu during the ongoing legislative session. The unexplained deaths of the 17 persons from 3 families in the Rajouri district continue to raise serious concerns, with the Indian authorities yet to provide clear answers. The spate of the deaths occurring between December 7 last year and January 19 in the Badhal village have left the residents in fear and suspicion as the official investigations fail to offer concrete conclusions.